In this video, I will show you how to change the Instagram app icon. First, open Play Store or App Store. Now search for any icon or icon changer and select this application. Then tap on the install option. After it has been installed, tap on open. Now tap on agree over here. Next, you want to select the icon that you want to change. In this case, you want to look for Instagram. Go ahead and scroll down, find Instagram and tap on that. Next, you want to tap on the image or icon option and choose the photo or icon you'd like to use from your gallery. Adjust it if needed. Then tap on the checkmark option or done button to confirm. Some icon changer apps also lets you customize the icon style, such as adding a background color or frame. Make any changes you would like and then tap on the use option. The app will create a new Instagram shortcut on your home screen with the custom icon. Depending on the icon changer app you're using, you may need to watch a short ad before the shortcut is created. Once it is created, head back and as you can see, Instagram's icon has been changed. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.